Run Claude Code for free. Here's how. Right now, I'm going to show you a way to use Claude Code without hitting a wall. No rate limits stopping your work. No watching your tokens run out in the middle of a build. I'm doing it through a system called Agent OS. And inside Agent OS, there's a tool called Omniroot that plugs in free AI coding models straight into Claude Code. Let me show you what that actually looks like. This is Agent OS. Think of it like mission control for your AI agents. One screen. You chat with your agents here. You can talk to it by voice. It saves your chats to your notes. It tracks your goals, and everything stays right here on your own laptop. Nothing gets sent off somewhere you can't see. Inside Agent OS, I've got Omniroot connected. Omniroot is a free AI gateway for coding. That means it hands you access to a huge number of free AI coding models, and you can plug those models straight into Claude Code. So you get the exact same agent, the exact same way of working, but the brain behind it can switch to a free model whenever you want. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. While he is out there helping clients grow, I am here keeping you up to date on everything AI. Julian reads every comment, so drop one below and he will see it. Here's why that matters. A normal AI coding agent is amazing, but every single message can add up fast. So what happens? People stop testing things. They stop trying the random idea they had at midnight. They save the tool only for the real work, and all the fun experiments just never happen. That's a real problem because some of your best ideas come from just messing around. With Omniroot plugged into Agent OS, that problem goes away. You can test, you can build a throwaway version of something just to see if it works. You can try 5 different ideas back to back. None of it costs you your main usage. You get your experiments back. Let's do a real one right now. Live inside Agent OS. I'm going to type this in. Build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows people exactly what they get inside and makes the benefits of AI automation dead simple to understand. Watch this. It's building it out right now in real time using the free model through Omniroot. No cost to my main Claude Code usage at all. And there it is, a full landing page built from one sentence. Clean layout, clear sections, easy to read. That's the kind of thing a lot of people pay someone else to build. You just watched it get built for free, live in under a minute. Now here's something most people don't talk about. Right now, if you're building something and you want to save your best tools for the big stuff, you kind of have to ration yourself. You think twice before testing something small. That's the old way. The new way is you just test everything because the free models absorb all that experimentation for you. I want to pause here for a second because this is exactly the kind of thing we focus on inside the iProfit Boardroom. If you've been watching this thinking, okay, this is cool, but how do I actually use this to save time and grow what I'm working on? That's exactly what we walk through. Inside the AI Profit Boardroom, we've built a full setup around Agent OS and Omniroot. You get the zip file ready to install. Not a tutorial where you have to wire it all together yourself. The whole system done for you, ready to drop into your own laptop. We show you step by step how to set it up, how to switch between the free models, and how to use it to build real things for your business, like landing pages, automations, and tools that used to take hours. If you want that setup, go grab it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Links in the comments and the description. Okay, let's keep going because there's more to show you. One thing people ask me a lot is, are these free models actually good enough? Here's my honest answer. You don't need the best model in the world for every single task. Some of the best things ever built online were built on older, smaller models. What matters more is whether you're actually building, testing, and shipping things instead of sitting on an idea because you're scared to spend your tokens. Let's look at how the switching works inside Agent OS. See this drop down right here? This is where you pick which free model powers Claude Code. If one gets rate limited, you don't have to stop. You just switch to the next one. It's built right into the same chat window. No new terminal, no extra setup. You click, you switch, you keep going. And that's actually a big deal because normally if you're using just one free provider on its own and it hits a limit, you're stuck. You either wait it out or you stop working. Inside Agent OS, you've got backups built in. If one option goes down, you move to the next one in seconds. Let's try another real build. I'm going to type in, write me a follow-up automation message for someone who joined the AI Profit Boardroom but hasn't logged in yet. Something friendly that gets them to jump on their first coaching call. Watch how fast this comes back. There it is, a warm, simple message ready to send. That's the kind of thing that used to take someone sitting down for 20 minutes trying to get the tone right, done in seconds for free, right inside Agent OS. Let's talk about the memory piece for a second, because this is one of my favorite parts. Agent OS has a memory system built in. It stores information about your brand, your voice, your projects, so every time you ask it to build something, it already knows the context. You're not explaining yourself from scratch every single time. That alone saves a stack of time. So here's the full setup. laid out simply. You've got Claude Code as the core. You've got two free routing options plugged in, Omniroot and OpenRouter, so you always have a backup. You've got a switch to move between them with one click, and you've got a workspace that saves everything you build so you can come back to it anytime. Compare that to the old way. The old way, every experiment costs you real usage. You ration the good stuff. You set things up manually every time. And when a free provider limits you, your whole build just stalls until it resets. That's hours lost for no reason. I know some people watching this are thinking, why would I use a free version when I could just use Claude directly? Fair question. Here's the thing though, it's the exact same agent harness, same Claude Code CLI. You're not losing any of the actual tool. You're just giving it a different brain to use when you don't need the top tier model running. You can even run both side by side. Save your main Claude usage for the big important work and let the free models handle your testing and your smaller day-to-day builds. And if you're someone who's thinking, this all sounds a bit technical, I get it, but you don't need to be technical to use this. I'm not a developer. I don't write code by hand. I use this exact setup to build real things, and so can you. That's the whole point of Agent OS. It's built so a normal business owner can sit down, type what they want, and watch it get built. Now let's talk about where this is heading. Right now, we're at the point where anyone can plug free models into a top tier agent and get real results. A year ago, doing something like this took a lot more manual setup, a lot more trial and error, a lot more patience. Now it's a drop-down menu. That gap is closing fast and it's going to keep closing. So if you're sitting here thinking, okay, I want to actually use this, here's what I do. First, get Agent OS set up on your laptop. Second, plug in Omniroot so you've got your free routing ready to go. Third, start small. Build one simple thing like a message template or a basic landing page just to get a feel for it. Fourth, once you're comfortable, start using it for real tasks in your business, the stuff that used to eat up your afternoons. Either way, you've now seen exactly how to run Claude Code for free using Agent OS and Omniroot with real backups built in so you never get stuck. Go set it up and go build something with it. That's the real shift here. It's not about having access to one AI tool anymore. It's about never being stuck when one option runs dry. You've got the free routing, you've got the backup routing, and you've got a full workspace holding everything you build, so nothing gets lost along the way. That's the difference between poking around with AI once in a while and actually using it every single day to move your work forward. So don't just watch this and move on. Open Agent OS, plug in Omniroot, and build your first small thing today. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be a start. And once you see how fast it comes together, you'll understand why this setup is the one I keep coming back to. And if you want all of that done for you already, ready to install, that's exactly what we've built inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Here's what you get. The full Agent OS zip file ready to install on your laptop. Step-by-step videos showing you exactly how to set up Omniroot and switch between the free models. 4 live coaching calls every week where you can share your screen and get help on your exact setup. A community of people actually using Agent OS day to day to save time and grow what they're working on. And a prompt library built specifically around this system, so you're not starting from a blank page. If you want the full Agent OS setup, go grab it inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Links in the comments and the description. And if you're not ready for that yet, no problem. Join the AI Success Lab instead. It's our free community. You'll get the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases, just like the one I showed you today. Links are in the comments and description. You'll get the video notes from this exact video in there too, plus access to a community of people who are already using AI to save time in their own work.